Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right in and discover how to create a Notion checklist for new employee onboarding. Step 1 is to open your Notion workspace. If you're new to Notion, think of the workspace as your own personal office, where you can create, manage, and store all your important information. This is where we will be building our checklist. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create a new Notion page. This page will serve as the home for your onboarding checklist. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place, making it easy to track new employee progress. Once you have your new page, it's time to add your checklist. Click on the plus icon and select To-Do List from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows us to create an interactive checklist that can be updated in real time. Now, start adding items to your checklist. These will be the tasks that your new hires need to complete as part of their onboarding process. Try to be as detailed as possible. For example, instead of writing complete HR paperwork, you could write complete and submit W-4 and I-9 forms to HR. Breaking down each task like this not only makes it clear what needs to be done, but also helps new hires feel less overwhelmed. Next up, you'll want to add any relevant links, files, or additional information to each task. To do this, simply click on the task and select Add Comment. Here's why this matters. These additional resources will help your new hires complete each task efficiently. Now let's take a moment to understand what's happening behind the scenes. By creating this checklist in Notion, you're setting up a structured, interactive guide for your new hires. This not only helps you ensure that no important steps are missed during the onboarding process, but also gives your new hires a clear path to follow. In conclusion, creating a Notion checklist for new employee onboarding is a simple way to streamline your onboarding process and set your new hires up for success from day one. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in our next video.